Prepare to embark on a journey to a sacred land, where history whispers through marble halls and art speaks from century-old frescoes. In the heart of the Vatican lie treasures waiting to be discovered, tales waiting to be told. Embrace tradition, cloaked in modesty, as you wander through St. Peter's Basilica and the revered Sistine Chapel beneath the gaze of Michelangelo. Let knowledgeable guides unveil secrets hidden in every corner, enriching your understanding of this hallowed enclave. Plan meticulously, savor every moment, and immerse yourself in an experience unlike any other. Seek not just a trip, but a pilgrimage of the soul. Join us on a quest for enlightenment. Subscribe and awaken your wanderlust.